Right, we have no power. No power at all. Let's see here. Got an idea. Hello my friends, I'm Brian and this channel is all about modernizing and building retro automobiles into some really sweet rides and a lot of lessons learned along the way. In this episode, we give these two gals a 1968 convertible Team Fastback a bath in some epoxy primer and some high build primer because we're doing, we're getting ready for a block party. So if anybody else would like to join this block party, man, I am all for it. You just have to stay, 6 feet away from me. And then also guys, in this episode of organizing some things in the shop, I noticed I have some tail panels that I just don't have a good place to store, so I decided just to hang them up and use them for decor and maybe a backdrop. And so this is it. And guys, I have no idea what I'm doing as far as lighting. Guys, if you have any tips or any suggestions on this, please give me a DM. Words are difficult. Put something in the comments. And then also I wanted to give you guys and share with you guys some of the plans we've got for an iPad mini integration into a classic Mustang. I've always wanted a iPad integrated into my classic Mustang, and for many reasons. And so I want to give you those reasons and also give you what the challenges we're facing and maybe what will work and what won't work. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this. Please smash that subscribe and like button because the algorithm loves that. So let's go. Ooh. All right, enough testing. Let's put these things up there and get some decorations going. Let's go. I guess I should turn off the power. Okay, safety first, OSHA approved. Think it's, whoa, that's it. That's the one. All right, gonna have to go on the headlight from here. All right, we have no power. No power at all. Let's see here, got an idea. because it's easy. So my friends, I've always wanted to integrate an iPad into my classic Mustang, and this is about as close as I've ever come to be able making that a reality. My father-in-law helped me and he made a drawing and a rendering of what we have in mind. And so what we have in mind is an iPad. You can bring your iPad mini, you slide it into the console, and it integrates with the system. It becomes your radio, your navigation, your wireless backup camera, and your Spotify account. A console integration, not necessarily a dash integration of an iPad, but a console integration. So the idea is I could carry an iPad mini and slip it into my classic Mustang and it becomes fully integrated with the car. But we're doing this all with the intention of not interfering with the originality of the car. On the 68, I'm not as concerned about that as it is a Resta conversion, but on the 68 Convertible, I am more concerned on it because it is a pretty well-preserved car and I don't want to go splicing it into any wires. So we're trying to keep it minimally invasive as possible. The idea is to be able to make it where we can replicate it and I can use it on other projects as well coming up. So plenty of fun things coming up on the build list for these two grills and some other vehicles. So I'm super excited about what's in store. So please hit that like and subscribe. Matter of fact, destroy the like and subscribe because the algorithm loves that. And we'll see you next time on Follow the Builds.